S raised to power 3 is equal to 1. What is the value of S solution? S raised to power 3 is equal to 1. Let's see. Let's take the cube root of both sides. Cube root of S raised to power 3 is equal to cube root of 1. This will cancel this. S is equal to cube root of 1 is 1. Is this the only answer to this problem? No. So therefore, let's find other solution to this equation. S raised to power 3 is equal to 1. S raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the same thing as S raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to 0. Take note of this exponential rule that A raised to power 3 minus B raised to power 3 is equal to A minus B bracket A square plus AB plus B square. Now from here, A is equal to S and B is equal to 1. Let's substitute. S raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 3 is equal to S minus 1 bracket S square plus S multiplied by 1 plus 1 square. This is equal to S minus 1 bracket S square plus S plus 1. Everything is equal to 0. Then S minus 1 is equal to 0, or S square plus S plus 1 is equal to 0. From the first case here, S is equal to 1. This is the first value of S. And from the second case, this is a quadratic equation. S square plus S plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. From here, S is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Let's substitute. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 multiplied by 1. S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1, minus 4 times 1 times 1, that is minus 4 over 2. Then S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 3 over 2. Now S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. But square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Then S is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3I over 2. Therefore, s is equal to minus 1 plus root 3I over 2, or s is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 3I over 2. Therefore, our final answers are s is equal to 1 minus 1 plus root 3I over 2 minus 1 minus root 3I over 2. This is the final answer. Thank you.